A recent protest outside the Nigerian embassy in Pretoria, South Africa, has generated widespread reactions online after a demonstrator raised concerns about alleged criminal activities linked to foreign nationals. In a video circulating on social media, a man identified as South African soldier spoke during the protest, expressing frustration about issues related to immigration, crime, and social welfare. The demonstration reportedly took place amid renewed public debate around border control policies and the enforcement of immigration regulations. During the protest, the speaker alleged that certain criminal activities, including drug-related offenses and exploitation of vulnerable individuals, were contributing to security concerns within some communities. He called for stricter documentation requirements and improved enforcement of immigration laws, stating that authorities should ensure all residents comply with legal processes.
Putting our children into prostitution, drug trafficking, it's all over. It's because of Nigerians. That is the only thing that they trade in our country. You go in town, you go all over. You see them in the street, pretending as if they're selling this fake clothes. Underneath there's drugs.
It's in the streets.
We go in our township, they're associated, integrated with our South Africans to push their syndicate of drugs. We need to come together if you people are meant to be here in our country to see this country peacefully. You make sure all those illegal foreign nationals who claim to be legal in our country, with the status that it needs to be audited, you need to get involved because it's your duty to ensure that all Nigerians that are coming here, they're with a visa on a purpose. Whether they're here for the visit or for trade, then after a period of certain time, they must leave. But you're not doing that. As diplomat, what is your duty to be in South Africa? Maybe that you guys need to give us a response. You must tell us what is your duty to be in South Africa. Go talk to your people. Go talk to your people because when we talk to them, it won't be good. Because we are angry as South Africans, especially those Nigerians. Those Nigerians are the highest drug traffickers in this country, even human trafficking. They take our children, kids from school to be prostitute in town, all over South Africa. They everywhere. They hijack buildings. They do a lot of Honduras crime that we're not used to in South Africa. People, this has to come to an end. South Africa belongs to us. We fought for this country. Some of us, we're still walking with the bullets of the past during the apartheid era. We're still having pains. We haven't achieved or we haven't enjoyed our freedom. The time where we're supposed to enjoy our freedom, there people come and infested themselves inside our freedom and bring our country into disarray.
Observers note that the comment reflects broader concerns that have periodically surfaced in discussions around migration, economic competition, and social stability. South Africa has experienced several episodes of tensions involving foreign nationals, including incidents recorded in 2008, 2015, and 2019, which sparked conversations about xenophobia, economic hardship, and community relations. Experts often highlight the need for balanced dialogue, responsible reporting, and collaboration between governments to address migration challenges while promoting peaceful coexistence. Authorities have consistently encouraged lawful migration practices and respect for human rights, emphasizing the importance of unity across African nations. The video has triggered mixed reactions online, with many calling for constructive dialogue and stronger diplomatic engagement between African countries. How can African countries strengthen unity despite migration challenges? What steps can government take to address crime without prompting division? How can citizens promote peaceful coexistence across borders? Share your thoughts respectfully in the comments below. Like this video, share, and subscribe to Nigerian News TV. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our latest story. Keep watching Nigerian News TV.